The new 953TR Speed Mount Cable Tray Roller from Current Tools is designed to save time and money on the job site. It is a step forward for electrical contractors looking for a fast setup, easy installation, and a completely self-contained unit. Let's look at how it works. Unlike most tray rollers on the market today, the 953TR lets you install and remove the roller from the bottom of the cable tray. Simply place it on the rungs of the cable tray and tighten the T-screw. It's as easy as that. If another pull is needed, loosen the T-screw, slide the tray roller over, and retighten the screw to secure it in place. After your pull is completed, just loosen the T-screw and remove the tray roller. Another huge benefit of the 953TR Speed Mount Cable Tray Roller is the fully self-contained design. There are no parts to lose. Developed to fit cable trays with 9-inch spacing, the 953TR features a steel frame, powder-coated for a long-lasting, durable finish, and a cast aluminum sheave with bronze bushings. Intelligent design, simple to install, ready to roll right out of the box. That's American innovation. Developed and manufactured in the USA, and it's only from Current Tools. Contact us for a distributor in your area.